oba misano bakiro, that is the way how the kings feel. Erutalo banange kale akuba kaita Amerida we tuli ku Chabasa. This is the bigger 9.10. Welcome to yet another exciting episode of the Township Tunes, and we are live on this very first day of the month of September. Still the year is 2020. Biblia 2020 twavayo twakomawo mu 2020. So that is where we are. Welcome aboard. This is the Township Tunes. Yenzeke nyini wekamba ziratone. Kale oli yango luzungu lugizemu awo. Tuba tukizenga bitabusemu awo nekale. Welcome to the show. Sophie Tebi tell him.
Yes, well, guys, welcome aboard to the number one lunch hour show. Township Tunes. We are tonight take you up to 5 p.m. It's a very beautiful day. A very beautiful, cold and lovely day.
Now oyungidde muli.
Of course, why not? You give me let me the driver.
No, go
ahead.
Well,
let me just give them some simple lines.
Really?
Simple lines. You know, we have those people just listening to us.
You're right. Yeah, from abroad.
Of course, they're streaming live on www.cbsfm.ug. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Those in your localities, thank you so much. In the arcades, in the supermarkets, in the roads. You know, this time, this weather is so favorable. Those people are in the lodge.
Hulimedde mu luzungu mama. Bambi vayo.
We started it.
Kale olunaku olwaleero lwelusooka mu mwezi ogw'omwenda. Of course omwaka Sophie leero omwaka tuguliddeko ennaku 245.
Naye gudduka.
Gulina engeri gye guddukamu.
Gulina gudduka.
Mu ngeri era tegeerekeka tugusigazaako 120 ogumalako naye baaba.
Kasabe Mukama.
Ulaba tutambuza zine 245 kati ne zine 12 zisigadde tujja zirya nazo zigwewo. Mukama Katonda ayongere tubeera bubeezi, otherwise si byangu n'akamu. Si byangu naye kale mwebale kubeerayo from wherever you can be, as well as you part of the show. We just love you guys. Mwebale kubeera ku Chabasa yene manduso yufa abaana abeka ife kenyine abali ku lubalama waneno.
Of course.
Tunes. Program Township Tunes.
So, mission. So,
we have one.